Hello everyone, I'm Laura Cornish, Editor-in-Chief of Mining Review Africa, coming to you from DRC Mining Week 2022. I'm joined by Mbembo Bemba. Mbembo is the Client Coverage Manager in the Katanga Region for Standard Bank DRC. Mbembo, welcome.
Thank you.
So we're at the end of day one of DRC Mining Week 2022. How are you feeling?
Great. It actually feels amazing to meet face to face. I know the past two editions were online, but it's nowhere near the feeling of meeting face to face. We had some questions about the attendance level, but we noticed that the attendance is great, so it's I feel good being here.
Oh, that's awesome. So Standard Bank DRC is a Diamond Plus sponsor for DRC Mining Week, major sponsorship.
Yes.
And you guys have been around and sponsoring this event for like 14 years. Why is it so important to Standard Bank to be such a strong presence at DRC Mining Week?
Well, Standard Bank has a strong appetite for the mining sector. Strong knowledge, appetite for the mining sector. So it is key and very important for us to be part of one of the sponsors and to participate in such an event.
And tell me, what is your view of where the DRC mining sector is right now?
Looking good. The mining prices, the commodity prices are quite high at the moment. A lot of companies are starting their production. So I think we have good years ahead of us.
Okay, awesome. Mbembo, you have an appetite for specific areas at the moment, I know, because we've spoken about this. Do you want to share with our audience what some of those appetites are and where the areas lie?
Well, at the moment, we finance some of the major copper and cobalt projects. But on top of that, we have an appetite for the whole ecosystem. So with Standard Bank DRC, our purpose at the moment is not to simply focus on those big mining extractive industries. We want to go and assist them, work with their ecosystem. We want to be their main bank, we want to be a partner. So we don't simply want to stop ourselves at being the banker, but we want to partner. We want them to grow and we want to grow with them.
Mbembo, you mentioned copper and cobalt. Now, the DRC is home to an abundance of resources that are in the green, clean tech metal space. Is that an area of interest for Standard Bank DRC?
Yes, definitely. If you look at the world's focus at the moment is to transition more towards the green energy. And with DRC being the number 5 biggest producer of copper and having 2/3 of the cobalt production, we definitely have to be a major player and a major actor for it.
Okay. And remember, a lot of what came out of the opening address at DRC Mining Week was COVID-19 and the impact that this has had on the mining sector. Tell me what Standard Bank has done with regards to assisting the mining industry during this pandemic period.
Well, we put in place a lot of solutions, especially digital solutions, because as you may know, some people were stuck in several countries. We have some clients where the signatories, some could have been stuck in China, some in DRC, some in Europe. So we really had to go forward and move on with the digitalization, with the online banking solutions and different solutions, such as the mobile money and e-banking that we have put in place.
Perfect. So I think to end off our conversation, I'd like you to speak to our French audience as well. And in French, tell our audience why they should consider Standard Bank as the premium company to work with regards to investment in mining projects in the DRC.
D'accord, mais tout d'abord, la Standard Bank a été bâtie dans une fondation minière, donc en Afrique du Sud initialement. Ça fait 30 ans que nous sommes en RDC, avec un appétit, une forte connaissance du secteur minier et bien évidemment une capacité financière qui permet de financer des projets miniers et l'écosystème de ces miniers.
Brilliant.